Alright guys, we're gonna be exploring not abandoned, but it's a construction site. Right here. This.
Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
Never mind, we're not doing that.
Doing it. Oh, I'm doing it.
The lights are on.
There's a seesaw in there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I don't know where to enter. I think we enter over here. We're gonna go on top there, guys. Oh. Alright guys, here it is. Yee, spooky. Where'd it go, dog? How do people enter?
Oh my god.
Where'd it go?
I think we're gonna have to hop something, dog.
The fence? We can't do the fence. Dude, if we do this, we're criminals. Oh, it's open. Never mind. Dude, there's an RV right there.
Is it what?
There's an RV right there. What if someone lives in there?
You think someone does?
Look.
Hello, motherfucker.
We're still gonna go. It's windy as hell too today. Wait, are the lights on in the RV?
Dude, imagine if we had to both get it. Like, we gotta run full speed, dog. You gotta run.
Dude, I think sun is in there.
Let's fucking let's go.
Yeah, whatever. Dude, we're gonna be playing tag in there.
Jesus Christ. Hide my identity.
We're gonna go.
As we're hopping, the cops right by.
Dude, it's freaking windy. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind. We gotta go in stealth mode. How do we get out though? Should we leave our boards here?
No.
No?
I don't leave my board. It's passing me.
Dude, what if someone's just coming right behind you?
Dude, I'm fucking jumping like never before.
Alright, hold it.
Just put your foot on that. Nice, very nice. Excuse me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Are you good? Bro, I missed that completely.
Ooh, dude.
What happened?
Look at my hands.
Let me see.
Did you get that?
No, dude, I don't think I did. Dude, I just looked back and I see you falling.
Dude.
I see.
Dude, that actually burns.
Can you hold the camera?
No.
Okay, I'm going.
I'm seeing stars. Dude, what if this was a booby trap?
What if they made it like this for us?
Dude, they knew that we were coming. Oh, my pee-pee. Look at my hands.
There's nothing. But it burns. It's just
What about the other one?
There's sweaty spots. Yeah. I don't think I got it, dude. I'll show you guys a picture. This looks so stupid. You just found me. Dude, shoes off. Fortnite socks. You guys see the drip? Right there. Jesus Christ. Try getting up.
Dude, that was bad.
Yeah. You fell in slow motion. See what the landing pad looked like. Pure pebbles. Just twigs. I landed on that.
What, dude? That came out of your ass.
How's my sweater looking?
Oh, bad. Just dusty.
Well, there goes that. Are we still going in? There's a guy in there, dude. Look. I don't know if you guys can see him. Yeah, you guys can see him. What is he doing?
Why does he look like that?
He's thrusting. Look,
He's
look, you see
crazy.
the camera. Look.
He's just rocking back and forth.
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
I don't
He's
know.
ill.
Jesus Christ, dude. All right, guys. There's no major injuries. I thought there was, but only my knee. Only my dignity. I kind of burned myself right here, and I can feel it. I know it's like those like rug burns, that kind of shit. I hate that. Yeah, I have that right now. So, but we saw the footage right now, guys, and he didn't get when it fell. Let me explain it, guys. But that's not gonna stop me. There's many obstacles that cannot stop a man from his target. Quote that. Alright. We're gonna go to the wall and see if we can do it over there. We're in. Alright, so we have to be very quiet because there's that guy, which is kind of creepy. Dog.
MTV Cribs.
Where's the restroom?
There's a restroom. There's a bucket right there.
What else? Ooh.
This is where the kitchen's gonna go. You already know the deal. The upstairs.
What's that?
Sorry, we're under construction. You know the deal.
Jesus Christ. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Alright, we need a flashlight for this one.
This is solid.
It's pretty dope. You heard that? Dude, we can see the whole view. Dude, this is sick. You hear footsteps?
No, it's just the plastic moving around.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What the hell? Where are you? What the?
There's Brian in his car. I don't know where I am. Who is this? Dude. Where'd he go? Hello? Are you scared? He's not there. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? What is that?
Oh, it's the bag. Scared the shit out of me.
Really? That looks like something's moving. Oh yeah, it is. You heard that? You heard that? I heard someone walking down, like in the dirt. Guys, I think we hear something. I think it's a guy. I'm going incognito. Oh, his car's right there. His RV's right there, guys.
Let's kidnap him.
Sleeping time. Oh, shit. Alright, guys. Oh. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? You won, dude. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. You suck.
Did you hear that?
Corbett. Jesus Christ.
This is like bucket out of you.
Yeah? Just run. Let's go. Parkour. Get the camera, though. Get the camera. Come here. You have to go. You have bumper stuff. Perfect. We out here. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Hey. How's it looking?
Point the flash.
Where's the flash?
I'm starting flash. No splashy ass?
Very delicious.
Yummy.
Dude, what is that stain right there? Right there.
Dude! He got excited.
Oh, on the way down.